watching if Pokedex entries were literal. But first, shout out to my mans right here for this lovely TOD. If y'all don't know what that means, fighting game logic for touch of death, which is a combo that kills without dropping.
Samurai symbol power. Seal. I am the red racer. And your downfall.
Solid. Fucking shout out to him. And now let's get into the real video.
Chatot. It mimics the cries of other Pokemon to trick them into thinking it's one of them. This way, they won't attack it.
Rayquaza! Rayquaza!
Rayquaza!
Hey bro, this other Rayquaza is totally normal. Regular as hell. Yet, everything seems totally usual over here to me.
Lunatone. It
That was
becomes
cute.
very active on the night of a full moon. This Pokemon was first discovered 40 years ago at the site of a meteor strike.
My god, this meteor has brought an alien Pokemon. With no evolution.
No way it'll be competitive with these stats. Worthless. Dump it in a PC box.
Damn.
Honchkrow. It makes its Murkrow cronies bring it food. It idles its time away, grooming itself in its nest.
I said pizza berries, you mope! These are chesto berries. What am I supposed to do with chesto berries? I can't believe they're surrounded by idiots.
Okay, so yeah, we need to unionize, like, now.
It's out of pocket.
Seismitoad.
Don't treat Murkrow like
This
that.
Pokemon is popular among the elderly, who say the vibrations of its lumps are great for massages.
Oh, Seismitoad, my sciatica could use a good rub with those vibrating lumps of yours.
Is this Kevin's office? Yeah, I need to see him immediately.
Kevin?
What do you mean he's taking the entire day to work with peanut butter? I need help now!
Has anyone seen that Seismitoad?
The hell is Kevin
I'm
doing
gonna
with
sit
peanut
on it
butter?
for hours.
Well, that was the end of the video. That was a quick one, I guess.